today we're going to be doing a spaghetti and sauce. So now we're going to begin. So first, just watch the demonstration. So oh yeah, let's pour the water in first. Now then take go. These are the noodles we're using, but then we need to put it. So,
actually, get your big pot. We'll get noodles. No, not that one.
Then, we need to okay, now we're going to get butter. We need the butter to make it. So, butter. And then, we could use the spoon. So the butter is starting to melt, so we could put it on there. See, it's melting now. Okay, so our butter is still melting. That's me. Tomato, because we have to cut the tomato. I'm gonna get my knife. It's up here. Now I'm just gonna put these tomatoes here. See if our
stay there.
So our noodles is done. So now I'm just gonna put that over here. Then we could put the tomatoes in here. And then put some pepper in it, a little bit of spice, and then probably a little bit of onions. So then, we need to put some salt and then pepper. And then we have to mix it up. Okay. Then put the lid back on. And then, so we gotta get this, and then so noodles are done. So let's pour the noodles in here.
Say the food smells good.
The food smells good. So now we just need to get some sauce. So I would like some milk with my noodles. Let's pour it in the cup. Let's open it. Look. There we go. So now I'm gonna enjoy my food